Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Students, topic today we will discuss read and match ch and ch words. But firstly, you will mention today's date like May 5th, 2020. Okay. Again, we will read the statement. Read and match ch and ch words. It means students today we will read the ch words into different ways. The first way In the first way, the ch sound appears the beginning in the words, and the next way, ch sound comes at the end of the words. Firstly, there we have three words with pictures. The first word is sketch, second word catch, and the third word is chair. Students, we can see in these pictures the ch sound is used in two different ways. Students, after this there we have two lines. The first line shows the beginning ch words, and the second line shows the ending ch words. Okay. First word is chin, child, chick, chest, chip, chain, chess, and chocolate. Come to the second line. Bench, match, patch, punch, reach, witch, scratch, and stretch. Students, beside these words, there we have three activities like previous lectures. In the first activity, students will match the same words, like the chop word is matched to the word chop. The next word is chin. Students will match the word chin is to the same word chin. Both the blocks having same structure. Come to the next page. Read the statement. Make and write ch and ch words. Students, in this activity, firstly you will combine the beginning ch words and write them here one by one. Look at the example. The first word is chocolate. Come to the next word. Ch is cheese. So the word became cheese. You will write the word cheese here, like okay. The next word is chair. So you will write the word chair. Then chest. Student, the word became chest. The last word chop. Now students will combine and write the ending ch words. Okay. Look at the example. Bench, bench. Bench. So the word became bench. The next word hat. Ch. Students, the pronunciation of this word after combining the catch. So the word became catch, and you will write the word catch here. The next word a th mat ch. Students, after combining the this word, the pronunciation became match. So you will write the word match here like. Next word, r e ch, rich. The word became rich. Okay, the last word, v e th ch. Students, we will pronounce the word like which. Okay. Come to the next and last activity. Look at this statement. Write the missing words. In this exercise, students, you will fill up the blanks with the help of ch words. In this activity, students, there we have 5 statements, and you will fill up the blanks in this activity with the help of given options. In this activity, students, you will find the suitable word and write them one by one. Come to the first statement. I like to eat lots of sweet and dash. Students, you will find the suitable word. The first word is watch, second match, third chop, then chocolate, chain and bench. Again, students, we will read this statement. I like to eat lots of sweets and chocolates. Students, we can see the very suitable word is chocolate, so we will write the word chocolate here. Okay, the next statement, they tie the dog with a dash. Okay. Watch, match, chop, chocolate, chain and bench. The suitable word is chain. So students, we will write the word chain. The third statement, Abdullah's family went to dash the cricket dash. Look at the word watch, then match. Abdullah's family went to watch the cricket match. Student, there we find 2 suitable words, watch and match. So firstly, we will write the word watch. Watch the cricket match. Here you will write the word match. Come to the next statement. Sarah was sitting on the dash in the garden. Student, you will choose the word bench and write here. Again, you will read the statement. Sarah was sitting on the bench in the garden. So students, you can see it became a meaningful sentence. Then the last sentence, mother will dash the vegetables before cooking them. The word chop we will write here. Again, student, read the last sentence. Mother will chop the vegetables before cooking them. जी पेरेंट्स, आज का जो टॉपिक था वो हमने अपना जो है वो कंप्लीट कर लिया, एक्सरसाइजेस को भी और वर्ड्स को भी। देखिए लास्ट टाइम जो हमने टॉपिक पढ़ा था श वर्ड्स, उसमें भी यही टू डिफरेंट जो यूज़ था उसका कि श वाले बिगनिंग वर्ड्स और वो वाले वर्ड्स जो श साउंड पे एंडिंग हो रहे हैं। इसी तरह ये च साउंड भी है कि आपने बच्चे को बताना है कि बेटा ये च वाले जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, ये साउंड जो च है सम वर्ड्स की जो स्टार्ट में आती है और कुछ वर्ड्स हैं उनके एंड में आती है। ठीक है, अब आपने च वर्ड्स जो हैं वो बच्चे को आपने इसकी लर्निंग ऐसे करवानी है कि आपने मतलब बच्चों को रीड करवाना है तो आप सर्कल बना देंगे ऊपर और साथ में बच्चे को मीनिंग बता देंगे। ये चीन जो है आपको पता है ठोड़ी को कहते हैं, और ये जो चाइल्ड है चिक है ये बच्चे को कहते हैं, चूजे को कहते हैं। तो आपने जो और ये चेयर आपने 4 वर्ड्स बिगनिंग च वाले करवा देने हैं। ठीक है, और 4 वर्ड्स आपने करवाने हैं एंडिंग च वाले। तो आपने मिड में एक लाइन ड्रा कर देनी है, इधर भी च लिख देना है ऐसे। ये जो मतलब कि आप देख सकते हैं कि च के जो मतलब के इधर मतलब कि थोड़ा सा डॉट लगा दें, छोटी सी लाइन बना दें कि बेटा च से स्टार्टिंग वाले, और ये च जो है इससे पहले आपने लाइन छोटी सी ड्रॉ कर देनी, बेटा ये च एंड में आएगा, इससे पहले आपने कुछ राइट करना है, तो ये एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनना चाहिए। तो 4 वर्ड की प्रिपरेशन करवा दें और थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस बता दें बच्चों को। ठीक है, और उसके बाद ये जो मतलब कि है हमारे मिसिंग वर्ड्स हैं, इसमें भी आपने बच्चे को पूरी तरह से हेल्प करिएगा कि वो सही से इनको समझ सकें। थैंक यू।